Welcome to Mekong Delta, where life flows as gently as the river itself. Here, you explore a world of lush greenery, private culture, and rich traditions unique to this region. Your journey begins as you step onto a traditional wooden boat. Feel the cool breeze, listen to the sounds of the river, and admire the beauty of daily life along its banks. The tour is an opportunity to learn about a unique way of life. You'll meet local families, discover how they make traditional handicrafts, and see how they live harmoniously with the river. And of course, you'll enjoy the delicious flavors of the Mekong Delta, from freshly catch fish to tropical fruits picked straight from the trees. Every dish offers a taste of the region's rich culinary heritage. The Mekong Delta Tour is an unforgettable adventure that will stay with you forever. Contact us today and let the river guide